June 4th, very beautiful day, and as you can see I'm in a very nice city called Kenora in Ontario, and at the moment basically I have like almost like a day off. I just need to go from one side of the city to another. It's not a short journey, it's like a few kilometers, maybe an 8, but the weather is extremely nice. I think like finally no more prairies, and I can tell you I'm extremely happy because on the prairies I forgot really what does it mean to have an adventure, and now the lake is perfect, and maybe I will go and swim or whatever. Of course I will go to the beach, maybe some marina. Now I'm trying to find a motel actually to prepare for wild Canada, because to Thunder Bay is going to be almost completely wild. There's like 2 or 3 cities on my way, like very small one for 500 kilometers and nothing specific. So enjoy Kenora. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Maybe start from this side, my card, wait basically on the highway. There we have some marina, probably with the restaurant, very nice lake, and that's basically all. So I'm heading to eat something, maybe the last beer. I think I should drink the last beer because to Thunder Bay is gonna be nothing, and that's all. See you. June 4th, this day of my adventures, will be difficult. I decided to stay in a motel because there is a severe thunderstorm alert issue in the TV, so you can but just see basically what they say here. So the alert was issued like a few hours ago, but at the moment it's for Kenora because the thunderstorm is actually moving east towards me.
Just after 9 p.m. Eastern Time, and you're watching the Weather Network live right now. This is a look at our developing
I don't know why.
we'll be discussing throughout the show.
Sometimes it's written Kenora, sometimes not, but for different regions. So I'm gonna record this in 1 second.
Sort of a smirk on my face because some of the pictures are really just over the top. You have to stay with us to see some of those. Also, building heat and humidity. This is going to be a story throughout southern Ontario and into southern Quebec. And kids and heat. We are going to show you a report here. We don't like talking about this kind of stuff, but we have to, just to remind you of the dangers of leaving a child in a car, especially when the humidex values throughout southern Ontario are going to be at around 33 to 35 into Monday. So this is a look at the systems right now, where we're seeing some of the most active weather. That is throughout southern Manitoba right now as this powerful cold front slices through, and that's where our active weather coverage begins. Okay, look at this scene. This is Calgary, Alberta. A hail core rolled through. It indicates a strong up and down draft with some of these systems, and we do have some severe thunderstorm warnings in place just southeast of Calgary after those cells pass through. And a scene like that, that's what the Calgary Stampede looked like, with thousands of people outdoors. Just incredible. The timing and the location. Oh, Mother Nature, I think she might have had it out for you, Calgary. Okay, this is a look at current temperatures. Interesting to note Winnipeg here. Just about an hour ago, Winnipeg was at around 27
just take a look,
degrees.
Kenora.
So in that time, dropping quite a few.
Okay, so I just show you the alert. Sometimes it's basically the entire screen is red. The rain is expected to start around 9 p.m. At the moment is 8 p.m. so within an hour I should have a thunderstorm. Just take a look outside. Basically outside, what I can see, the sky is gray, and it's extremely wet. I can feel the humidity, and the rain is basically coming. It will be here very soon, and I hope I'll be safe, of course, in the motel, but I don't know what about tomorrow. how can I walk or whatever. Okay, I'm gonna wait for the screen and see the alert. See ya.